We are group number 18, and today we will be explaining few components which comes in the print layout tab. And yes, so we'll start with it. So my first topic is print page orientation. So first we'll go to the page layout tab, then orientation. Here we can see two options, portrait or landscape. My default is landscape already, so we can change by clicking it on portrait. We'll go to the file, print. Here it's portrait, as you all can see. And from here also we can change it to landscape. It will be like this. It will get printed like this. And if you want portrait, it's like this. And my next topic is page break. So first go to the page layout tab, then break. Uh, let's break the rows from like 7 and 8. So we'll click on 8. We'll select the 8th row, then break, insert page break. Files, then print. Here you can see my first page is broken down to first page and second page. You can see it's from 8 to the other numbers. So yes, this was my part. Now Swanti will explain the other two components of page layout.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Swanti, and my roll number is 76. I will be explaining page margins and print area. So let's go ahead with page margins. First, you have to go to page layout, and then you can see a option of margins. If you click on that, the regular three options are normal, wide, and narrow. If you also want customized settings, you can click on the first one and type in your figures. So for now, we'll be going ahead with normal. And yeah, you can select normal and it, okay. Yeah, you can have a look at it in the print review. And then the second one, which I'd be explaining, is print area. So again, it's in the page layout, select print area. You can select print. When you select print area, there are two options, set print area and clear print area. If you choose set print area, it allows you to choose particular cells of the Excel sheet. And if you do clear print area, it gets the whole Excel sheet. Now, Nitya would be explaining her part.
So I'm going to be explaining about the print titles and then the header and footer. So first you have to go to page layout. As you can see the option print titles. So let me explain how it works. So if you see the print preview in general, uh, this is how it looks like. So you have the headings on the first page and it just continues later on. But if you actually use the option print preview and set the title row as the default row, one. And now if you check the print preview, you can see that for each page the heading has been added, and so it makes the whole process more simplified rather than just referring to the first page for the titles. The second thing that I'm going to be explaining is the header and footer. So go to the insert tab. You can see the option of header and footer over here. Click on it. So Now you can see that we have the header option and the footer option over here. So these are basically divided into 3 columns. So it's not just a single thing, you can add whatever you want. So if you click on it, suppose let's say it's page 1. Wait, let's just give this a title, probably saying the financial data. And over here you can just say page 1 of 21, and footer you can actually say just write 1. So as you can see, it has been added to all the pages, which has been divided already by the page breaks, and this is how it works. Now Vanshika will explain about the other components.
So my topic is scaling and sheet options. Basically, scaling refers to adjusting the size of a worksheet and or a chart for better readability and presentation, and it helps to fit the content on a single page and also enhances the print quality. There are 3 options for scaling, that is page layout view, page setup dialog box, and scaling with print preview. So first I need to click on the section of page layout. Shanti, can you pause the meeting? I think there is some error with the Excel. First, you need to go to page layout option. There you can adjust the scaling. Here the width and height or height of the sheet is now 2 pages. I need to fit this full data in one single page. So I'll shrink the width from 2 page to 1 page and height also from 2 pages to 1 page. And now I can preview the scaling of the sheet from here. It's all compiled into one single page. My next topic is sheet options. Sheet options are settings that affect the behavior and appearance of worksheet in Excel. So first is, suppose I take the sheet, like Bulls and Bears sheet. First option is to rename the sheet. I can just rename the sheet from Bulls and Bears to sheet 6 or only B and B. You can also change the tab color from here. Like first of all, it was in blue. Now I need to change it to orange. I can also change the tab color for Reliance also in the same way, from white to, let's say, black. Next option is to move or copy a particular sheet. On this particular option, I can select whichever sheet I want. Let's say BNB, create a copy, and the sheet will be copied automatically. Here you can see the sheet is copied. Now I want to delete the sheet, so I can just delete it. Next option is to protect the sheet. Let's say I want to put on a password, so I can just type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the sheet will be protected. Similarly, if I want to unprotect it, I can retype the password and it will be unprotected. And the last option is to hide a particular sheet. So if I want to unhide it, I need to click on a previous sheet, and there will be an option for unhiding it. And the sheet is unhidden. So this was a particular topic. Thank you.
So in this video, we've shown you the major components of printing and we are done with it. Thank you.